What's good? Welcome back once again to the videos. If you guys have not subscribed, I need y'all to do that right now. 99% of the people watching don't subscribe. Y'all crazy. It don't cost you nothing, so just hit that button. All jokes aside, what up guys? So today, by the looks of the title, you guys already know I'm gonna show you how to pass SMOG if you have the ZZP Stage 2 installed in your vehicle in California. Yes, I said it right, in California. California sucks when it comes to passing SMOG. It's the worst state that I know of. So as you know, the ZZP Stage 2 comes with a few things. Number one, it changes your computer. Your PCM is changed. It's changed. So obviously, if you mod your RPMs and things like that, most likely you won't pass SMOG. Number two, downpipe. If you change the cat, you won't pass SMOG. Number three, cold air intake. On top of that, we changed the thermostat, we changed the spark plugs, and a smaller pulley for the supercharger. So there's a few things here that will cause this car not to pass SMOG. However, it just passed 2 days ago. Then how do we do it? Let's get into it right here. How many car loads does it take to get a cold air intake box? Carlos.
Sí.
Carlos.
Where's the screws?
And I'm Carlos. So 3 Carlos.
The
The Carlos says I'm trying to put a cold air intake. But anyways. The car doesn't sound like that. That's a punk ass Civic. But anyways. Smaller pulley. Actually, the only issue we've had so far is the belt, huh? The belt was the one that ripped.
Hey, Caesar said that.
So far, the only problems we've had with the CZP is the belt actually snapped. So we had to get a new belt. A pulley broke, but that's not from CZP. That's just the pulley breaking and this snapping. Other than that, inside the snout there were some bearings that we had to replace because it was making some noise, so we had to service a supercharge. Other than that, nothing else really. Where's the computer? That's the worst part of the PC.
His seal. I'm not just a cat.
What's wrong with the bearings?
They're seized, food. Look, you see how they turn black?
Mm-hmm.
They're overheating.
So this is what was replaced from there.
Is there any way we can clean this?
So I actually got a question for Senior. If you guys remember, there used to be a white Buick right there. Senior, what happened with your Buick, fool?
Rest in peace.
What you mean? Tell us what happened with your Buick.
Coming home from work.
Face this way so that way the camera can see you.
I was coming home from work. Fortunately, there was a guy behind me on a Honda. He was looking at his GPS on his phone. He looked up at me. Ran right into me. He hit me and my car swerved to the left. I almost hit the center divider, and basically when the guy got out of his car, he was basically telling me that it was his fault. He wasn't paying attention. The insurance adjuster looked at my car and they considered it as a total loss.
So you don't have the Buick anymore?
No. That's why I say rest in peace. It's in the auction now. In the auction, up for grabs. Somebody can be able to buy it.
Are you buying another Buick?
Not right now.
In the future,
check your local Copart.
If I buy another one, it's gonna be this one.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I'm trying to get this
That's
back
right.
too. Just wait for my first commission check.
Oh, you guys gonna diss me like that?
Yeah.
Well, if you get that car, you're gonna be buying me my
I'm not gonna get rid
friend.
of this car until I get a Charger. So.
Really?
Really? We'll see about
Get
that.
like a Daytona or something.
We'll see about that. The reason why you need to change the cold air intake in order to pass smog is because the cold air intake from ZZP doesn't have a serial number. Typically you'll have a serial number. So maybe next time we have to do smog, we'll just go ghetto and go to, what's that place? Riley's, and get a K&N filter with the sticker. Get the sticker, return the part, and when you return the part, now you get the sticker, put the sticker on there, and now you don't have to worry about it removing anything. So basically we didn't have to remove the downpipe, we didn't have to remove the computer, the PCM, we didn't have to remove, the only thing we had to remove is a cold air intake, and it passed like a charm.
I never criticized you when you're talking,
up.
both of you talking to your chick.
I don't talk to my chick on my phone, fool. So for you guys that made it this far, I'll make it simple. The only thing you need to change is the cold air intake. So make sure if you buy the Stage 2 kit for your car, keep the original air box, because you're gonna need that for smog for California. And then just put the cold air intake away, remove it, put the original one, smog it, and come back. What I'm actually surprised is that I didn't have to change the downpipe, because the downpipe has a complete different cat. And in California being so annoying with catalytic converters, typically you have to have the OEM, and if it's not the OEM, the computer tells them, and it's a pain in the butt. So the only thing you gotta change is the cold air intake. Put the original one, go smog it, and then once you smog it, then put back the cold air intake, and you're basically set. It's very simple to pass the smog. I was actually worried, but hey, thankfully it was only that. Car passed like a charm. Car has a few issues. We need to fix the it has an exhaust leak, and we're looking into getting a cutout for it. So that's the next two things that we should be doing to it. But thank you guys once again for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below with any issues that you've had of you encounter with the ZZP Stage 2. I'm actually interested. We haven't had any issues. The only thing is that the one pulley broke and the belt melted. That's the only issue that I've had so far, but I can't even realistically say that it was ZZP's fault. It was just the pulley broke and then it burnt the belt. But that's pretty much it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I left anything out, please let me know, so definitely I can include it or answer your questions. And as you know, my Instagram is down below. Send me a DM. I'm more than happy to talk to you guys. Thank you.